Right, hello everybody and welcome to another elevator part video. Today we're going to be taking a detailed look at this Montgomery Cartop station. Let's get started. So this here is another Cartop station, which obviously you would find on the top of an elevator. This one has its box, which is pretty nice. So this one's pretty basic. There's not a whole lot to it. Up here at the very top, we've got the Montgomery logo, Montgomery Dependable Elevators. We've got the inspection switch, our 3 buttons, up, safety, and down, stop, run, and then Montgomery Elevator Company, Moline, Illinois, USA. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look on the inside. Once the 2 screws are removed, the entire panel comes off of the box. And now we can see how it works. So starting up here with the inspection switch, we see it as just your standard toggle switch. Now as for the buttons, these are quite interesting. So we notice here we've got the screws, which are holding them in place. These are just your typical older Montgomery contacts. You've got the base bit here, the actual button, the spring, there's the spring down there, and then the little disc, which pushes up against these little metal pieces. So when you push them in, it completes the circuit. And you can also see here that these two form a normally closed. You can see here the disc is pushed against this piece, and there's actually another one down there. So it's actually a pretty neat design, and all 3 of the buttons have that same layout. And then down here at the bottom we have this old Cutler hammer switch, and Montgomery loved to use these kind of with the ball on the end here, and see I can turn it here and it activates. And I'm not really sure, I think this is 3 separate switches. I'm not totally sure because I haven't really looked at it all that much, but I think we got 3 separate switches down here. So that pretty much sums up all there is to see with this Cartop station. I mean, there's not really a whole lot to it. And it's a pretty neat Cartop station, probably one of the cooler looking ones. You've got the Montgomery logo on top, and then you've also got the Montgomery text on the bottom. Now something kind of interesting, I've seen another Cartop that looks just like this. You've got your inspection switch on top, your stop here. However, instead of having 3 buttons in the middle, you have 1 button for the safety, and then the up and down is a toggle switch that you slide back and forth to make it move. So that's kind of interesting. So you have to hold the button in and then turn a switch with the other hand. So that's kind of interesting as well. I don't have that one with me, so can't really take a look at that, but it's essentially the same as this with just a different switch up here. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. It's a pretty short one, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.